Hello guys, welcome to this lesson. Today we are coming to solve another example under partial differentiation. So we are given a multivariate function f of x, y given by the log of x to the base y. Okay, so before we can find the partial derivative of this function, you must express this function in terms of natural log. Okay, so this is the same as the log of x to the base a divided by the log of y to the base a. But the log to the base of any value or any variable is the natural log. Okay, so our f of x, y is given by ln of x over the ln of y. Okay, so from this function we can find the derivatives of this function, the partial derivatives of this function using the quotient rule, where our ln x will be our u and our ln y will be our v. Okay, so the partial derivative of this function with respect to x is given by v del u del x minus u del v del x, all divided by v squared. Okay, so partial x is given by our v is ln y. Since we are finding the partial derivative of this function with respect to x, this means we will hold y constant. Okay, so it implies that the partial derivative of u with respect to x, that is partial derivative of ln x with respect to x, is what? 1 over x minus u, that is ln x. Then the partial derivative of ln y is 0 since y is held out constant. Okay, all divided by ln of y all squared. So partial x is given by 1 over x ln y all divided by ln y all squared, and this is the same as 1 over x ln y. So the partial derivative of this function with respect to x is given by 1 over x ln y. Similarly, the partial derivative of this function with respect to y is given by v del u from quotient rule, v del u del y minus u del v del y, all divided by v squared. Okay, so partial y is given by ln of y. This time we hold x constant since we are finding the partial derivatives with respect to y. Okay, so you find the partial derivative of u with respect to y. So partial derivative of x with respect to y is 0 since x is what held constant. Okay, so minus u ln x. Then the partial derivative of y with respect to the partial derivative of ln y with respect to y is 1 over y all divided by ln y all squared. So partial y is given by negative 1 over y ln x all divided by ln of y all squared, which is the same as negative ln of x all divided by y ln y all squared. This is the same as partial y given by negative 1 over y ln y multiplied by ln of x divided by ln of y. But from definition or from the principles of logarithm, ln x over ln y is the same as the log of x to the base y. Okay, so this is the same as partial y negative 1 over y ln y times the log of x to the base y. So therefore our final answer will be negative log x to the base y all divided by y ln y. So therefore the partial derivative of this function with respect to y is given by negative log x to the base y all divided by y ln y.